What do you do in your free time? There are many things I enjoy doing in my free time. On weekends, I often go to a coffee shop with my friends because I have to work from Monday to Friday. We usually talk about our jobs, future plans, family, or personal experiences. It's a great way to relax and connect with people I care about. But sometimes I prefer to stay at home. I might watch TV, listen to music, or spend time learning English. As I mentioned before, I set a goal to master English by the end of this year. So in my free time, I learn new vocabulary, review grammar structures, and practice speaking. I really enjoy talking to myself in front of the mirror. It helps me improve my speaking skills and gain more confidence. Besides that, I also like listening to music or watching movies in English. It's both fun and helpful for learning.